Hey there HomePod Mini users, welcome back to this channel, and today's video we're going to be showing you how you can set up your HomePod Mini with your M1 Mac where we're using the macOS Monterey. Setting up your HomePod Mini with your M1 Mac is extremely easy process to do, but there are a few processes that you have to do before you continue with the process. First of all, you need to have to set up your HomePod Mini with your iPhone or iPad because there is no direct option that you can use your HomePod Mini with your M1 Mac. Now, if you want to set this up with your iPhone or iPad, all you gotta do is just go ahead and plug in your HomePod Mini and then put your iPhone or iPad around your HomePod Mini, and then you're gonna get a pop-up. Well, if you don't see the pop-up that appears on your iPhone or iPad, then you can do one work, okay? Just lock your device, wait a bit second, just unlock it back again, and then you're gonna get to see this pop-up will come back to your device, okay? Now, tap Set Up. Now you can set this up with your iTunes if you want. I'll set it up later. Now pick a room, okay? Now choose where you want to set up your HomePod Mini. So I'll choose it basement. I'll click Continue, click OK. Click Continue again. Now you can turn on the location service if you want. So I'll turn it on later. Now click Continue if you want to enable the Siri and click Transfer Settings. And now you have to scan it. Now once your HomePod says it's ready, go ahead and click on Done. Well, now let's go ahead and do the main process with your M1 Mac. Alright guys, now before you go ahead and set up your HomePod Mini with your M1 Mac, be sure to stick around with your same Wi-Fi network that you had earlier with your iPhone or iPad while you set up your HomePod Mini. Now once you've set up your HomePod Mini, the next things you gotta do on your M1 Mac is a very simple things. Now open up your browser, or you can play anything that you want, okay? Now for the sake of this video, we're gonna play a video from our channel, okay? Now I'm just gonna go ahead and play it from here. As you guys can see right now, the sound is coming from this MacBook Pro. Now while you're playing this video, the next place you want to go is here. Just go ahead and click on there, come down here and click on sound, okay? And here you're gonna see your HomePod Mini will appear right here. Well, we set it up for basement, now it's showing us the basement. I'll click here. Just in a moment you're gonna see it's connected right now, okay? So let me now after updating it to the latest software version, now to set it up or just make it. Alright guys, so as you guys can see now the sound is coming from this HomePod Mini and the video that I'm playing on the Mac. Alright guys, so this is how you can set up your HomePod Mini with your M1 Mac, and this is how you can connect it, and this is how you can listen through your HomePod Mini from your M1 MacBook Pro where we're using the macOS Monterey. Hope you find this video useful. If so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll talk to you all later.